Good evening, students. Good evening. Yes, two class completed. So now enter into class 3, geometrical optics topic going on. Yes, so students, in the first class, technical meanings of object, real object and virtual object, and image, real image and virtual image completed. Then students, in the second one, principles of reflection, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. That means indirectly incident ray and reflected ray, how related. So that principles completed. Next to students, by using that plane mirror, how forms a image for both point object and also extended object. Image formation by using ray diagram completed. From that, one mathematical equation derived, that is image distance equal to minus into object to distance. Then later students, perpendicular to principal axis, so that is magnification. Along the principal axis, magnification also derived. Then after that, in the graph, UV graph, nature of object and nature of image, combinations also over. Then later, image and object coordinates in XY coordinate system also completed. Not only straight mirror, even some inclined mirror also completed. Then after, field of view, that means by using any one mirror, backside, how much area or how much distance we can observe with the help of the mirror. So that is a field of view, that also completed. Students, based on that, yesterday one assignment also I said. So in that assignment, to assess the students, yes, I personally set that question paper, that is self-assessment. Yes, some problems somewhat easy, some problems moderate, and some problems difficult also there. Yes, from you, yes, all now I will know how many students solved which type of problems. But before that, students, field of view, yes, one more problem here or one more concept I will explain. Then later come to our yesterday assignment. Okay? Yes, students, ready? Students, now topic is a plane mirror. Yes, here one plane mirror of size some L I am taking. That is a plane mirror size, students. In front of a plane mirror, yes, here one observer. Observer is standing. This is now observer, so I. Now, with the help of this plane mirror, backside, suppose now it is the wall. On this wall, how much area he can clearly observe with the help of mirror, not now by turning this side. So that is now field of view. So for the determination of that, yes, first field of view, how to find out. Students, from here to here mirror is there. Now you need to consider first edges. This is first edge and the second one this is. And now I is maybe symmetric or may not be symmetric. But here, yes, symmetrically I have taken. From here to here, this is incident ray. And this is reflected ray. And students, one more point. Light follows principle of reversibility also. So this light ray moving from here to here means definitely this light ray also moving from there to here. That means any object up to here, this all objects now visible to this eye. Similar to that, even down also. Yes, this is angle of incidence. It is angle of reflection. Means indirectly from point to number A to point to number B, this total area is in the field of view of a plane mirror. That means this observer can view from here to here. This is now yesterday exploit. But for the determination of A to B, yes, students, directly you can find out. Yes, it is a theta, it is a theta, it is a theta. This distance we know. So this distance also we know. That's why from here to here you can find out by using triangle principle. Same similar concept down also. But still easy. Yes, this total whatever may be now here, wall is there. This wall, suppose from here to the mirror capital D distance, suppose. Now for this mirror, wall is the object. Image where formed now? Yes, here image is formed. Same distance capital D. Now, yes, this A image is A prime. B image is now B prime. Same this ray, suppose if you extend, this ray if you extend, means whatever may be objects were from here to here, students, these all objects formed here, from here to here formed. These all images, this observer can observe. So that's why now easy to find out. Yes, this is one right angle triangle. This is another right angle triangle. Okay. Yes, suppose now from here to here distance is small d. Yes, tan theta equal to L by 2 divided by small d. Same tan theta equal to from here to here capital L by 2 divided by from here to here capital D plus small. So capital L by 2 you can find out. Yes, L by 2 and again L by 2. Total L is field of vision. That distance now here to here capital L, here to here capital L. By using now the right angle triangle. Yes, one is here, another is here. By using that we can find out. Students, yesterday up to here completed. Yes, one more time also completed. Yes, now we'll see yesterday assignment now. How many students now completed that? Okay. Yes, one by one. Yes, all problems here I will explain, student, but all are now according to our yesterday's class only. Yes, in the yesterday's class, just 1 second. Yes, students, now all problems are based on number 1. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. That is now first basic now principle. Then later, image and object distance V equal to minus U. Yes, next field of view means again V equal to minus. Students, only based on the two principles only. Yes, 10 problems given from lower level to higher level. Now, how many students completed now? I need to know. Yes, students, now once now problem completely here over. Just now 5 seconds time I will. In that time, yes, who correctly solved that? Already answer also there now down. So the students whose answers matched with given answers after explanation, please simply raise your hands. In that now an option is there, right side, raise your hand. You please raise now. I will count that number. How many students correctly solved that? So I need to know our students. Yes, how much extent now students solving the problems. Means how much difficult problems now solving. Okay. Yes, one by one. Yes, so students now first problem. Just wait. Yes, all students here. First problem. Yes, students here mirror is given and one point. This point now A, another point to B. Point A, point to B. This point to distance. This is 5 centimeter, students. It is 20 centimeter. And from here to here, 20 centimeter given. A ray of light travels from point A to point B after being reflected. Students, point A to point B means this is not direct light, no. After being reflected from a plane mirror, then we need to find out this light ray, from where should it strike the mirror? Means on this mirror, where this light ray strike. So that is the problem. Just wait. Yes, now this is the problem. Students, now light ray. Yes, first incident to here and then going here. So this problem is based on first order principle, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Yes, this angle theta, this angle also theta. Students, I am assuming this length x, this length 20 minus x. Now, two right angle triangles. This angle theta, this angle also theta. Tan theta equal to x by 5. Same now, here theta means this is also theta. Tan theta equal to 20 minus x by 20. 5, 4x equal to 20 minus x. So this side x equal to 4 centimeter means from the projection of A on the mirror, x equal to 4 centimeters. So from here to here, students, 16 centimeter. So this is a 4, this is a 16 centimeter. So this is now just to based on angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection starting model. So first completed, students. Yes, take note, screenshot also, because now no time to write in your notebook. Yes, at the same time, the students who completed the first question correctly, please raise your hand now. All students now fast. Yes, now students come to problem number 2. Okay. Yes, students, now don't rise. Now going to second one. Yes, students, now second question. Yes, first one take, second one. Yes, question number 2. Yes, student, this also based on angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Just 1 second, wait. Students, here mirror, original orientation, incident ray, reflected ray. Here source is there, here observer eye is there. Yes, this angle I am taking theta, this angle also theta, students. A ray of light travels from a light source S to plane mirror, and after now getting reflecting, going to the observer's eye. If the source rotates in clockwise direction, students, suppose this is the original diagram. Suppose this source clockwise, this direction rotates by 10 degrees, means right now this is incident ray. This is 10 degrees, students. So that's why now it is theta minus 10. Right now it is incident ray. New incident ray is making an angle theta minus 10 with the normal. Yes, now by what angle and in what direction must the mirror be rotated so that light ray still strikes the observer? Students, observer at same angle. Yes, now just wait. Yes, now here listen. Observer same. Observer not now moving to any other location. Here only source 10 degrees clockwise rotated. So definitely, suppose mirror is like this. Mirror is like this. Yes, reflected ray also come up to here only. That means not going to the eye. Not going to the eye. But the examiner question, our reflected rays should go to again observer's eye only. For that, we need to rearrange the mirror. So in which direction, at what angle we need to rotate the mirror is the problem. Just wait. Yes, now here theta minus 10. Suppose mirror like this. Some angle alpha rotated, students. Mirror alpha angle rotated. Mirror alpha rotated means normal also same alpha rotated. Now incident ray, students, how much angle making? Theta minus 10 plus alpha, right? Next, this is incident. Now reflected ray again should be same only, like this only. So that's why, students, now this is the angle of reflection with the new normal. So what is angle of reflection? Previously theta, now theta minus alpha. Okay. Yes, now angle of incidence theta minus 10 plus alpha equal to angle of reflection theta minus alpha. Yes, so students, now this alpha this side, theta theta cancel, 10 that side. So therefore 2 alpha equal to 10. Alpha equal to 10 by 2, 5 degrees, students. Yes, in which direction I rotated the mirror? Clockwise direction. So clockwise direction of 5 degrees. Yes, so students who completed now this problem successfully, please now raise your hand in your now mobile. Now that option is there. Yes, this is the second problem. Not completed students, one time please take this. Come on fast, but all now fast because no time. Yes, students, now move to question number 3. Yes, already now sent to assignment also, but now again for better view, here also I am showing. Yes, any print there now, you please now observe through print also. Yes, students, come to problem number 3. A light ray is incident on a plane mirror at an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal. At what angle with the horizontal must a plane mirror be placed in its path so that it becomes vertically upward after reflection? So second completed, coming to the third. Third one. This is horizontal with horizontal 30 degrees. After reflection, vertical. Yes, so student, this is the given information, just given information. incident light ray and reflected light ray. Reflected light ray exactly vertical. This is the incident. It is reflected. Now mirror with horizontal how many degrees? The angle made by the mirror with horizontal is our target. See now how we are now going to identify. Students, incident ray, reflected ray. So definitely it should be a normal, no doubt. With the normal, yes, whatever may be angle of incidence, angle of reflection also the same. Already it is a 30. This angle same. But now total is a 90. Already 30 over. 60 means 30, 30. This is a 30, this is also 30. But students all know this is normal to the mirror. So that's why normal to the mirror. This is the mirror now. It is a 30 means this, it is a normal. 30 over, it is a 60. So it is a 30. So students, now mirror with horizontal 30 degrees, with vertical 60 degrees is making. Now our question is with horizontal, that's why 30 degrees with the horizontal is the right answer. Yes, completed students, please raise your hand. Not completed students, one time please take no screenshot. Come on, fast. Raise your hands. This is problem number 3. Yes, so students, now moving to problem number 4. Okay. Yes, so students, now problem number 4. Find the region on y-axis on which reflected rays are present. Yes, here object A given and also mirror length indirectly given. Just wait. This is given x-axis. It is given y-axis and here mirror given. Mirror coordinates and object A coordinates also given. This coordinate 4, 2 lower edge. This is 4, 3. Indirectly from here to here 1. Yes, student, this is the given problem. This is object or source. Now it is the mirror. It is the mirror. After reflection from the mirror, incident rays coming from this object, where incident on y-axis means from where to, from which point to which point. So that is the target. So this is now again from the angle of incidence equal to reflection concept and also related to field of view also. Okay, just now going to the edges. This is the first edge. Yes, normal line. It is also normal line. Incident light now reflected. Yes, this angle theta 1, students. This is also theta 1. This is also theta 1. So this coordinate now we need. All students know x coordinate 0. Need not to find. Only y coordinate rectified. I am taking now from here to here y1. Then later now we'll calculate. Yes, now tan theta 1. Students, tan theta 1 opposite by adjacent. Opposite already given 2. Students, adjacent from here to here also 2, because here to here 4, here to here 2 over means 2. So that is now 1. Same way now tan theta 1 equal to here to here. This is now y1 length, suppose y1 divided by here to here, total 4. Students, y1 equal to 4. But y1 means not from the origin, only here, this length. Otherwise, no, you take this is L1. Yes, L1. L1. So here to here 4. But students all know here to here already given 2. So that's why here to here total 4 plus 2, 6. That's why this coordinate 0, 6. One edge 0, 6 means up to here not possible. From here to next to again. This is the second edge. This angle theta 2, this angle theta 2. Again now going. Same angle theta 2. I am taking students from here to here again L2. Okay. Yes, same tan theta 2 equal to yes, here to here total 3 by 2 equal to L2 divided by 4 students. Therefore L2 yes, here 6 coming, L2 is a 6. But from where that is 6? This is the 6. But from here to here, already 3 is there. Because this is the coordinate. Yes, students, now here coordinate geometry. Mathematics now all coordinates important. Yes, but very simple only. Need not to worry. Yes, from here to here 3, here to here 6, total 9. So therefore, students, this coordinate 0, 9. So this coordinate 0, 6, this coordinate 0, 9. So now from 0, 6 to 0, 9 is an active region. That means light rays coming from this point A due to this plane mirror reflected only in this region. Yes, in opposite. Suppose if it is observer, he can observe the objects present only from here to here. This is now, yes, complete problem number 4. Students, yes, some students are completed, but no, honestly no, because I need to assess the students. Based on that only next teaching is there. That's why how many students successfully completed and now matched your answer, please raise your hand fast. Remaining students now take one screenshot, then later now enter the note. Come on fast. This is the 4th one. Yes, so students move to 5th one. Yes, question number 5. Yes, so students, coming to problem number 5. This problem also related to problem number 4 only. Yes, now a point source of light is placed in front of plane mirror as shown in the diagram. Then determine the length of reflected path of light on the screen. Yes, one time now you also observe the problem. Problem number 5. Yes, so students, screen here given. This is the mirror. Mirror length L and the mirror lower edge is also at height L from the screen, and front here to here also L, and object that is now source S is also at the height L. Yes, students, this is now given problem. Here source, it is giving light rays And these light rays, after incident on the mirror, some light rays incident on this screen. On the screen, yes, how much length is the active region? That now we need to find out. Just to see now edges again. Here edge 1, here edge 2. Here 2, here 1 light ray. Then this is final reflector. This is the first one. First edge. So here theta 1, theta, yes, same theta 1. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Yes, so students, theta 1, here 2, here L, opposite also L. Theta 1 equal to 45. Same theta 1. Here 2, here students 2L. That's why definitely here 2, here also 2L. So this light ray incident here, point to number A suppose. Next to second, from here to here, this is another edge. Then later here. So finally point to B. Now from A to B is a active region or field of view. Yes, this B coordinates required. Yes, angle theta 2, this angle theta 2, this angle also theta 2. Tan theta 2 opposite to divided by adjacent. Students, opposite already we know L. So adjacent now we need to find out weight. Yes, here tan theta 2. Tan theta 2 right angle triangle tan theta 2 total 2L divided by students L equal to same tan theta 2 opposite L divided by here to here we don't know, that is X. Yes, so from this students X equal to L by 2. Yes, now from here to here 2L, but here to here X equal to L by 2. So students, what is the active region? 2L minus L by 2, 3L by 2. So only in between A and B only light rays coming from this source incident after reflection from the plane mirror. So this is based on angle of incidence equal to again angle of reflection. Yes, so students, so fifth completed. How many students now correctly solved this question? Please raise your hand. Reminding all students now take one screenshot fast. Yes, so 5 completed. Now students come to problem number 6. Yes, students, problem number 6. There is a point object and a plane mirror. If the mirror is moved by 10 centimeter away from the object, find the distance which the image will move. That means distance moved by the image due to mirror movement. That is our now present problem. This problem is based on object distance equal to image distance. So that is the concept. Just wait. Students, here plane mirror original location. This is object O. Distance is D. Same way here image is formed at the distance D. Object to D, image also D, students. Later what happened? This mirror 10 centimeter moved away. This is the new location of the mirror, new location. Here to here 10 centimeters. Students, now from the new location of the mirror, distance of object is D plus 10. So same way image also from the new location, image now new, it is formed at the same distance d plus 10 centimeters. So students, from here to new, this is the new image. This distance is d plus 10. But here originally image from here to here already d. So that's why here to here d plus 10 no plus 10 total d plus 20. Yes, students, from the original location of the mirror, first to image is at only just distance d. But right now, due to movement of this mirror, from this original location, distance is d plus 20. Means how much distance travel? 20 centimeter is the right answer. That 20 centimeter also in the direction of movement of the mirror. Mirror now right side mode. Image also right side mode. Yes, so students, how many students now exactly solved? That student, please raise your hand. Reminding students to take this fast. This is question number 6. Yes, come on now. Next to students, please now move to question number 7. Yes, question number 7, students. Find the coordinates of location of the image formed for an object kept at origin as shown in the diagram. Just wait. Here, coordinates of image we need to find out. Yes, here x-axis, y-axis, examiner only given. This is the y-axis. Here, mirror like this now kept. Yes, here object. The distance now from here to here 8 centimeters and the angle is a 30 degrees. Yes, so students, now this is the given problem. This is the mirror making an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal. Yes, students, now which side is reflecting? This is the reflecting, this is silvered surface. Now, example in the diagram showing object is here. Means this object is a virtual object. Real object, yes, this side. But here given means this is a virtual object. Yes, now whatever may be object distance, image distance, both are the same. So now it is the image. Which type of image? Image is the real image. Object is virtual according to given problem. Now, students, this is 30, this is 90. This is now 8. 8 is the hypotenuse. So, students, from sine 30, that is 1 by 2, it is a 4 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter, it is also 4 centimeter. So, total 8 centimeters. Now, draw one line here. Students, 30, 90, this is 60. In this right angle triangle, opposite side, yes, side 60, root 3 by 2. That is nothing but opposite to divided by hypotenuse 8. So now opposite equal to 8 into this now sine 60, root 3 by 2 means now 4 root 3. 4 root 3 opposite. Now come to adjacent. Yes, here adjacent cos 60, 1 by 2. So already hypotenuse 8. So that's why from here to here, students, yes, so 4. That means total 8. Now here 4. But now 4 which side, students? Left side, because it is the origin. So that's why now coordinates of this image -4. But this is that side, positive side, plus 4 root 3. -4 plus 4 root 3. This is now image, final image, but image is a real image. Yes, so students now completed. How many students completed correctly? Please raise your hand. Come on, fast. 7th question also. Yes, now move to another question. Yes, so students now come to problem number 8. A point source S that is placed at a distance capital L in front of the center of mirror of width D hangs vertically on a wall. A man walks in front of the mirror along a line that is parallel to the mirror at a distance 2L. Find the greatest distance over which he can see the image of the light source in the mirror. So this problem is based on field of view. Yes, now many problems yesterday, concept over. Today, starting some problems over. So now problem number 8. Just wait, diagram here now I'm drawing. Plane mirror, distance small d. Here, source is there at a distance capital L. Here one wall is there at a distance 2L. Yes, so students, now this is the given information. This is the mirror. In front of the mirror at a distance L, one point source is there. Now, at a distance 2L from the mirror, one wall is there. Along this wall, yes, one person is walking. From here to like this now walking. But this source up to certain region send the light rays. Means from here, this is point A to point B. From here to here, this region is bright region, active region. That is nothing but field of view. This region length we need to find out according to the question. The total length. Yes, so students, directly you can find out from the triangle. Yes, one simple method I am telling now, just like already completed, one more time. Yes, here object wall. Wall is at a distance 2L from the mirror. Yes, with the help of this mirror. So this is from here to here, same 2L. From this source 3L. Now students, this A is nothing but now A prime. This B, nothing but B prime. Yes, here to here, L by 2, here to here, yes, L here already given, right? Okay, now I am taking small L. Small L by 2. This is symmetrically I have taken. Suppose not symmetric, no problem. L1 no L2. L1 plus L2 is your answer. Okay, students, this is theta. This is also theta I am taking because of symmetry. Yes, tan theta. Here d by 2 divided by capital L. L by 2 divided by 3L. Yes, so from that students, tan theta equal to d by 2 divided by capital L. L by 2 divided by 3L. So now d by 2 divided by capital L equal to L by 2 divided by 3L. Yes, 2 cancel out to L equal to 3D. So students, now from here to here, how much active region? 3 times of length of the mirror for these given distances. Suppose other distances are there, values different. So just now right angle triangle principle I am using, just a small simple mathematics. Yes, total length of the active region is nothing but a 3D, 3 times of the D. Yes, students, now completed. Please, now completed students, raise your hand now fast. Then later remaining students take that. This is question number 8 completed. Yes, question number 8. Yes, so students, now question number 8 to question number 9 both are the same. Just values given. Yes, now mirror length, just wait 1 second. Yes, students, now mirror length only given, that is 20 centimeter. Yes, so students, now mirror length to 20 centimeter, values all are the same. Yes, tell me what is the active region length? 3 times of that, so 60 centimeter. Now on this wall, one person walking with 10 centimeter per 1 second. The speed is 10 centimeter per 1 second. Total 60 centimeter. How many seconds required? 60 divided by 10. So 6 seconds. Students, 9th question related to the 8th. Answer 6 seconds. Yes, now correctly completed students, please raise your hand fast. This is the 9th. Yes, please now move to last question, 10th question. Yes, question number 10. Yes, last question. Yes, so students, here same field of view question, but mirror, some inclined mirror now given. So this question now we need to find out. Just wait 1 second. Question number 10. Yes, here mirror given. Angle theta equal to 60 degrees. Here to here. Mirror length L equal to 2D. And object here given. This distance D. Even this distance also D. Total 2D. Yes, student, this is the given problem. Here object O. Yes. And mirror. All angles given. So this is now final screen. After reflection from this plane mirror, active region on this now screen we need to find out. Up to now, straight mirror over, now inclined mirror. Yes, see, first ray, here to here. This is normal. Now reflected. 60, 90, 30, this is 60. Students, now this is 60 again. Next, that is the first ray, means that side. Similarly, this side, incident ray, normal. So this is reflected. That is the reflected. Now 60, 30. This is now 30. It is also 30. Now total students, this total angle is 60. Here to here 2D. So this is a P and this is B. I am taking. This is A. Yes. Tan 60. That is √3 equal to opposite side PB divided by adjacent to 2D. So PB equal to 2√3D students. 2√3D means here to here completed. Now come to here. Yes, so students, now this is total 60, 30, 60, again 30, again 30. Now A, here one point I am taking. This is now Q, suppose. Tan 30, 1 by √3 AQ divided by D. AQ equal to D by √3. Yes, sir. Here to here 2D 60. So this is now sin 60 √3 by 2. Opposite side √3 by 2 into hypotenuse 2D. So total √3D. Students, here to here AQ D by √3. Here to here √3D. Here to here 2√3D. So total from here to here active region. Here also I used now angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. So total answer active region distance D by √3 plus √3D plus 2√3D. Yes, D by √3 if you take common. Yes, here 1. Yes, here 3. Here 6. 6 plus 3 plus 1. Total 10. D by √3. 10D by √3 is the final answer. That is now active region, field of view for inclined mirror. Yes, so students.